Kaizer Chiefs midfielder Thabo Cele believes the recent FIFA international break provided a crucial period for the team to reflect on their struggles and reset ahead of their return to action. With Amakhosi enduring a turbulent season, Cele has urged supporters to stand by the team, warning that the abandonment will only deepen their woes. Chiefs' last outing before the break saw the suffer a humbling 2-0 defeat to relegation-threatened Richards Bay, marking their ninth league loss of the season. They will now look to turn their fortunes around when they face a Golden Arrows at Moses Mabhida Stadium on Saturday at 3:30 p.m. Speaking on Wednesday, Cele expressed optimism about the team's preparations and their efforts to implement fresh tactical adjustments, and said after this break, where we had time to reflect and dig deep into our minds and hearts, I feel positive about the next game. We are working very hard and trying to incorporate new elements into our game. Acknowledging the frustration among fans, Cele emphasized that actions on the field rather than words will be the best way to regain their support, and said in moments like this, I don't think fans need to hear us talk, they need to see our response on the pitch. We need them despite the difficult times, because without them, the challenge becomes even greater. Our responsibility is to show on the field just how much we value their presence. Cele, who joined Chiefs as a free agent in January, has quickly established himself as an integral part of the squad. Hailing from Gomash in KwaZulu-Natal, he revealed that donning the famous black and gold jersey had always been a lifelong ambition, and that my heart has always been here. I have worked hard for my dreams, and I always believed that coming to Chiefs was destined to happen. I feel good about being here and contributing to the team's objectives. We have a lot to accomplish, and I'm determined to play my part. Looking ahead to Saturday's fixture, Cele acknowledged the tough challenge posed by Golden Arrows, a side that already defeated Chiefs in the first round of the season. He also noted that every team raises their game against Amakhosi, given the club's stature, and said when teams play against us, it's always a difficult game because of who we are. Golden Arrows have always been a competitive side, and with the recent coaching changes, they are becoming more possession-based. We expect a tough battle. With their season hanging in the balance, Amakhosi will need more than just words. They will have to prove their intent on the pitch, starting with the much-needed victory over Arrows. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.